If I did not cook very well for you in pregnancy, would you have survived pregnancy?
What were you cooking?
No, it doesn't matter what. Wait.
Everybody for me.
Now wait, the best pap in the world. The pap that you made this morning, how did that go compared to my pap?
I beg you.
You see,
So you brought
there
that up.
you go.
So you brought that up.
There you go.
I will do my own back.
One favorite thing we absolutely enjoy doing together is praise and worship for married couples only.
Please cut this video at this point.
Yeah, I can say that is our favorite thing to do together. Especially my wife's.
You have said too much.
TMI. Okay. Before pregnancy and giving birth,
Yes.
who was more organized?
Me.
The Lulu, the delusion. In what world do you live in?
The world that I know. The world that you live in.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Yep. Happy 2025.
Yeah.
Yes, so my name is Michael, by the way. And we are the Stalwart lovers. And we are excited to welcome you into the new year. If this is your first time, stumbling on our channel, you're very much welcome. But if you're already an OG, like you always watch our videos, we want to tell you welcome back. We love you so much and you are dear to us. You are the reason why we keep filming videos, because we know that we have people who are watching.
Yeah.
All right, so it's a new year. I hope you're excited about the new year.
Yeah.
And today, to start off the year, we just want to start with a very fun video, couple tag video.
Yeah.
Just to help you to know us a little better, and of course laugh at us. It's fine. Is that because we're going to be laughing at each other as well?
And before we go into the video, how was 2024 for you? What content, what videos did you enjoy the most? Drop it in the comment section. And if there's anything you would like to also see from us, make sure you don't forget to leave that in the comment section. And if you are just joining us and everything, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you can catch us every time we post a new video this year.
All right. It's about to be an amazing year, so stick with us. We're going to have an amazing ride.
Yep.
So babe, let's get into the video.
Yep. So this video, okay, so the first question I have here is...
So wait, are we now, first, I don't know the questions, and I like not to know the questions because, hey, it helps me to be sporadic, spontaneous, whatever you like to call it. But are we going to answer for each other? Or you?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Each other's perspective.
Okay, let's get this done.
If there's a question that is, what does your spouse like, or something like that, you answer as what do I like?
Okay. Let's hit the ground running.
Okay. So how did you two meet?
Long story. That one is long story. So go and watch the video. I'll probably link it.
Yeah.
But short story is the first time I set my eyes on her, I was her lecturer in her class, and she was a student in my class. And yeah, we met later, and then later, and then later, and then much later, and then the Lord told me that there's something here, and then I started probing. And then much more later, after lots of praying and all that and friendship, we started a relationship.
Whoosh.
And they summarize.
Like much later. Anyway, it's pretty much the same from my perspective. Yeah. Yeah. But I had a crush on him, Sha.
Oh yes, you should add that
to
it.
Crush.
It's fine. It's fine. I liked you too, but not a crush. Just slipping that out there. I mean, initially, later, of course, later it became a crush, I would say.
Okay, so who made the first move?
I did.
What was your first impression of each other? Well, my first impression of you was like, who is this person that looks like my cousin?
Tall, dark, and handsome.
No.
Intelligent and vibrant.
It looked like my cousin so much in my head. But now that I look at both of them,
we don't look alike anymore.
You all don't look alike anymore. But at that time, although then you were slave,
my face,
your face was different. Yeah. So at that time, you still look like my cousin. But now,
thank God we don't look like what we've been through. Glory.
But it just amazed me so much. Like I was like, who is this person? And then there was also an impression I got because I was in class. The class was a 7 a.m. class, and I was in class like 6:30 or 6. I was in class 6:20 that day, and then you got into class like 7 or 7:05 latest.
No, not 7:05.
I don't think it was 0. You were very prompt. Like you got to class like 7, and I was like, who is this lecturer that is early to class?
I do be doing punctuality stuff back in the day.
But that was,
In
but
my secondary school,
you're not like a lecturer
I
now.
wasn't. But to you guys, I was.
Yeah.
And
You said your secondary school.
yeah, my secondary school, I was actually assistant punctuality prefect.
Oh, so you like punctuality. That's
I mean, I don't think they give you that role because of your punctuality. Maybe they didn't just find somewhere else to put me. That's how I tell myself. Because come on, assistant.
Punctuality
I forgive them. They owe me.
Okay. So what was your first impression of me?
Oh yeah, my first impression of you was, who is this gentle, beautiful, small girl, who was very, very in the
Guys,
class.
this life.
Wait, now you asked for my first impression. Who was very, very intelligent, because I asked an intelligent question and she answered it. Oh no, for real, like that was. But I liked you. You see, you're wearing your natural hair. I mean, back in the day. Now I've changed, but back in the day, as long as your natural hair, you're dark and you're pretty, you are crushable. Like you've entered my type. When I used to have a type, and so that just it came off to me as a beautiful girl. Yeah, I didn't think anything too serious because
Beautiful and intelligent.
yes, yes,
Okay,
yes,
no problem. You have successfully redeemed yourself.
Uh,
So what's your partner's most annoying habit?
hey, you should say habits.
Well, for me, I have some actually. But maybe I'll just do like two.
I have to look for more for you.
Eh.
I only have one in my head, but I will
Okay.
find.
So the first annoying habit, when this man is playing PS, you'll be like, oh, I just want to play one more game. I just want to play one more game. Okay, play your one more game. Oh. Maybe what the person will not quit or something. And you'll not be like, the person quits.
Yes, now one more game that you didn't enjoy. Like I was beating the guy so much, he quit. They're like, no, I want to play a full game.
I'm not like, you're taking even more time. Or maybe I just come downstairs and we were supposed to maybe watch a movie or do something together on the TV, and they were like, just two more games. I'm like, why was it be two more games? Just drop the pad. Just finish this game you're playing now and drop the pad.
All right, let's do it one by one then. So your annoying habit, and I'll do the one that is related to PS as well. In fact, your annoying habit for me is you don't know when to suggest that you would like me to stop playing PS in a few minutes from now. You just simply see me playing and you're like, babe, hope that's your last game.
This is gaslighting.
No.
This is major. Why are you not taking a habit from my own habit?
But you just open my head to see. See? Listen, guys in the comment section, let me know, how does it make any sense that you're playing game and then someone tells you, your wife tells you, hope that's your last game? How? Why should that be my last game? I've already started playing it, so you should tell me, okay, maybe the next two games should be your last game. It's like you're eating food and someone wants to take the last thing on the plate. No matter how full you are, it will be difficult for you to let that go. That's exactly how it feels. Yes, that's one of your annoying habits.
The other
No, you go first and I'll go next. Oh, you don't. I thought you wanted to do two.
Countering all my habits.
Okay, I'll give you one if you like. Counter this one. My wife's most annoying habit, and these days I'm praying for grace and patience to learn to handle it in this marriage. It was the first thing that shocked me when we got married. It's still. I mean, nowadays I have reasons why I believe I understand, but
I feel like I know where you're
I
going.
can't relate to how much sleep my wife thinks she needs in this world.
You can't relate.
So it's still, so for me the habit is just, you see, sometimes it's like a traumatizing thing. Babe, please, can I please just, when she says that, it follows with take a quick ziz. And it means that she's going to give me Joshua when I'm at work. And my little boy is not so little anymore. When I carry him at work, he wants to type my keyboard, he wants to move my mouse and all that stuff. In fact, recently, he wanted to ask me for something else. Once he said, babe, can I just please? I was like, eh? It's funny, but it's not that deep. But yeah, that's why it's annoying.
Joshua will have stressed me. Maybe he didn't let me sleep at night or something. And when I'm having that brain fog in the morning and I'm tired and everything, sometimes I might just need a little bit of a nap.
In your defense, having a baby is a lot.
Yes.
and it took a toll on you. And so I understand. I genuinely do. I understand, but I can't relate. You say it's different. Like, I get it. But it's like, when is it going to end? But I love you. All right. Of course, you know it's not that deep. Why are you doing that? I mean what I'm saying. Yeah.
Okay, I don't have any other habits for you.
Okay,
Because of
fine.
what you said.
Or you couldn't think of one because I'm just the most
No, I'm just trying to have better. I
sweetest
don't want to open
person.
your mom in the.
I would have said openly, but no, don't. Please, I'm a man of high repute. Don't disgrace me. Which one would you have said? Whisper to me. No, I don't think so. My annoying habits. Who doesn't? Who doesn't? I'm even better at it
You're
than
the
you.
special.
Let's move on. Let's move on.
Let me not expose you.
Let's move on.
Okay, so what was your first date like?
First date.
It was meat pie and chicken in
That
Chicken
was
Republic.
that was our first proper date.
Yes, I also call that our first date.
Okay. Okay.
That was the first date we went on when we got into a relationship.
Yeah. You know, people who consider dates as even the first date before they even started a relationship and stuff like that. But I'm trying
Did
to
we ever
remember.
go on any dates? We didn't. We
Not
never
really.
went out. We
We
never went out
just
together.
met and talked
Yeah.
and walked long walk.
And had phone calls. We never like, oh, let's meet at a restaurant.
Oh yes.
We never
So
went out.
our first proper date, yes, we ate meat pie and water.
Chicken and water.
Chicken pie and water.
Yeah.
And I promised you that the next time we were coming, we were gonna eat rice
Days
and
of
chicken.
brokenness.
And I saved up so that I can fulfill my promise. Wow. To thank the Lord. That's all I can say.
Thank the Lord.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. So, who is more likely to start an argument? I think I am. I don't know.
I don't think so.
But
You're not
we
really,
hardly even argue.
You're not really contentious.
Yeah.
But if we were to answer who is more likely to.
And it could be you too.
Do you get it? So balanced.
Yeah.
We most likely think alike. Occasionally we have divergent thoughts. For me, I used to like it when we think differently, even though in the moment it doesn't feel sweet. You know, because like, why are we thinking so far apart? But I still like it. It's the privilege of being married, right? You have someone that can puncture your well construed opinions. You're like, wow. You know, but I don't know how to answer that. If in all honesty, genuinely.
Right? Who is the better cook?
Who is the better cook? It goes without saying. Moi. Yes, can you cook as better as I can?
What food do you cook?
If I did not cook very well for you in pregnancy, would you have survived pregnancy?
What were you cooking?
No, it doesn't matter what. Wait.
Everybody for me.
Now wait, no, you.
I will buy fried rice and jollof rice.
Babe, you are very, very terrible. You're a very, very terrible person. No. You said it like I was making pap every morning for you. Like you weren't craving pap. Like you weren't asking for it. The best pap in the world. The pap that you made this morning, how did that go compared to my pap?
I beg you.
You see?
So you brought that up.
There you go.
I will do my own back.
Of course, you are the better cook now.
I will do my own back.
You can't do your own back.
I am the better cook.
Hands down.
My food is sweet.
Hands down.
Delicious.
Hands down. Literally, I've never tasted anyone's food that tastes
it's
better.
Your comebacks for me.
Better than my wife's food.
It's your comebacks.
I'm a wise husband. You know, I need to leave my family in peace and tranquility. But I genuinely mean it. My wife's food, she makes it with love. And I literally taste the love in her food. Which makes the love, which makes the food much more delicious to me.
You are dangerous.
Do you know
before
before I got married, I was bad. They used to call me Mr. Smooth at my office. So my friends, Mr. Smooth. But you know, Jesus was the Lord of my life, so I didn't really use it for bad stuff. You get what I'm saying? Yeah.
Anyway, what's your favorite thing to do together?
That has changed since Joshua came.
Yeah.
So I can't think of previous things. So let's think about now.
Now.
Before it will have been take a walk, it will have been watch a movie.
To take a walk together.
It will have been just sitting down and gisting, but life has changed. So what do we do together these days?
I mean, we take care of Joshua together. Like when we are both clean with him, like when we are both engaging with him, and he's playing, and then we are both there together.
I
I
just
think
thought
that's
about one.
nice. Mm-hmm.
One favorite thing we absolutely enjoy doing together is praise and worship for married couples only.
Please cut this video at this point.
Yeah,
End,
I can
ended,
say that
ended.
that is our favorite
Actually,
thing to
as
do
if I think
together,
about it.
especially my wife's. Shh.
You have said too much.
TMI. Okay, now back to clean
Although,
stuff.
if I had my way,
Mm-hmm.
my favorite thing to do with you would have been to go out, like to actually go out, like how things used to be.
Mm.
But this time, of course, with Joshua and everything.
Things
But
are about to go better. Go
yeah,
back to those days. We'll
exactly.
also balance
Yeah. So that's going out, that's having long talks and deep conversations and stuff like
and
that. I
taking
think
walks.
yeah, I think that is still my
Yeah,
favorite thing.
see, this year, last year was something else, but we thank God that we are standing. Yes, so this year we go again better and stronger by God's grace.
Okay, so what's the best gift your partner has ever given you?
Joshua,
Hmm, nice.
easy. That boy, he takes my fancy every time.
Okay.
I see him and
But
I'm
you
like,
gave him to me too now.
yeah, it
We
doesn't
both gave
matter.
him to each other.
It might not be the best gift I gave you.
Well, I would say so. Mine is so best gift
Okay,
doesn't
should we
necessarily
remove?
mean. Let's remove Joshua, right?
Okay, okay.
So for me, the best gift is not necessarily the most expensive ever, but I'll say the most thoughtful, the most sentimental, the best
Which one?
was my very first Android phone that you bought for me.
Yeah, even when you didn't ask.
Yeah, even when I didn't
We
ask,
weren't even dating. We
we're
weren't
not even
even in a
dating. But I
relationship.
was just so touched by the thoughts. Like it touched me a lot that you would just look at me and think about the fact that okay, this lady actually needs a phone for real. Like
Yeah,
and there was no way I could afford
at
it.
that
My
time.
parents could not afford it at the time.
At the
I
time.
could not afford it at the time.
Yeah.
So I was just going on with life the way I was. But
Struggling through
yeah,
school
just
with
struggling
a phone
through
that wasn't
school.
smart.
But then, you just saw it and you're like, I have to get a phone. I actually did.
Yeah,
I was actually really touched. I
yeah.
feel like that's still, if I think about it very well, like the gift that really made me like touch my heart. I think that
I'm
was.
sure there are more. But fun fact about me, like that's who I am, especially when you're very close to me. If I
Mm-hmm,
spot a need, I begin to work towards it.
mm-hmm,
And for that phone, my dad gave me the money.
mm-hmm.
I called my dad, I said, Dad, the woman that I believe that I will marry
Needs a phone.
needs a phone. And I don't have money. My dad was like, say no more.
As
Dad,
in...
I love you. Rest on. All right.
Okay, let's go to the next one. How do you handle disagreements?
That's a whole video.
That's a whole video. Should we do that? Should we do that video?
Yeah,
Let's do that video.
let's do a video on that next. Maybe we
Mm-hmm.
can talk about personally,
Yeah,
and then maybe teach
personally.
about. We've
Yeah.
always wanted to talk about conflict resolution,
Yeah, yeah,
so
yeah.
maybe we'll talk about conflict resolution, but then talk about how we do it
How we do it.
because we are pros, guys. Pros, pros.
So this question I'm about to ask is going to cause a bit of a rancor, a bit of a power tussle.
Let's see. You see
So
that?
the
Is
question
that I've
is
stopped hugging you so that
so the question is, who is more organized?
that's easy. That's absolutely easy. It's me. It's absolutely that one. On this mountain, I shall lay. I shall
Guys, should I
pin.
concede? Should I just give
No,
it to him?
see, then we don't have to dry our dirty underwear outside. But if you are willing to do that, let's go. Guys, there's one single way I'll prove this right now as we speak. If I take a photo of my wardrobe
No.
and you're wait, no, no, no,
I
no,
have
no,
no
no.
one. It's
Wait.
because I did laundry and I've not had time because I've been
Oh
taking care of your
my
baby. Since I
god.
became a mom, it has been more difficult.
Babe, you are right that this is going to cause a rancor because come on.
No, the thing is,
Babe,
before
okay,
I gave birth,
wait. The last time your wardrobe was arranged, who
no,
arranged
now
it?
it was that's the thing.
Answer the question.
That was
Oh
that was
God.
big. See, guys, pregnancy and giving birth, I've not had that time and energy to be doing. I'm serious. But if it was before, oh God, you people will not believe me now. It's
Okay,
because
wait. Before pregnancy and giving
yes,
birth,
yes,
who was more organized?
me.
The Lulu, the delusion. In what world do you live in?
The world that I know. The one that you live in.
Who has OCD in this house?
That one. No, you also do know it affects that one. Anyway, let's move on.
No, we must elect a winner. I crown myself the king of that topic. Oh, so this.
So I can give it to him
You they
because of
try.
how things have
You they
been.
try. You they try. You they try. That's all I can say. You they try. You they really try. You're not dirty. You're not dirty.
But you're more organized.
I am. I can't even
It's not your
stand.
fault.
I can't even stand something that is like this and like this.
It's not.
And
your
when my
fault.
house is disorganized for a while, I begin to have mental stress.
Me too.
No, you can. Your threshold is longer. Your threshold is longer.
You say my threshold is
But it's
longer.
fine. I still love you.
Yeah, but leave me alone. What is the most romantic thing your partner has done for you?
No, most
Romantic.
I must confess, these days I need to be more romantic than I used to be.
Let me tell you the most romantic thing that you've done for me.
The most.
Actually, those many of the things in my memory, they are things from like the beginning of our relationship. So the most romantic thing you've done for me, I won't say it's the most romantic, but that's what is just coming to my mind right now.
Okay, that's fair.
Yeah, and you've actually done. Let me put it this way. Let me group it this way. My birthdays, like the surprise gifts.
Okay.
So whenever you surprise me, it's usually like very romantic. So let me just put one that tops the list. When we were friends and you told me, oh, I'm done with NYSC, blah, blah, blah. And I didn't know when next I was going to see you, but I knew I was going to see you soon. And then you just surprised me.
I've been the smooth. Like I showed up at her fellowship. She didn't think, she froze.
I froze literally like it was.
She was just walking casually. She just saw me because she froze.
Like you put in so much.
People were asking her like,
what's
are you fine?
wrong?
She was just there.
Like you put in so much effort into like surprising me.
I am a well, I want to say I used to be a master of surprises because I haven't been in the last 1 year. But blame it
so
on the
many
baby.
things have been, and that's the thing. Things will still balance out.
It will. I
Guys,
promise.
This is not how things are going to be forever.
But you're telling them, or you should be telling yourself.
But do you know the funny thing? I feel like even with every stage, everything, like I understand. Like
yes,
it's not that deep.
That's why we are still standing because we understand.
Oh.
I didn't even plan that. The oil is on me. So the understanding is what makes things better. But I promise, babe, I'm going to do better. In more intentional romantic gestures for me. 2025. It might be in different things though. It might just be it might be in maybe you waking up and realizing Joshua is already bathed, or the whole house is literally sparkling. Might not be in money and gift, and it could be in all that, but hey, that's it. That's all.
That's what you're gonna say. Okay.
Yeah, because I have done the evaluation and I've seen that I can do better. And so I would do better. I mean, it'll be like saying when I want to marry you, I they do all those stuff. When they shock me, it's still shocking me.
Is that you're trying to teach for me? I'm here for you.
But for real
I'm
though,
here
I'm just
forever.
being honest.
So
I'm being honest.
no pressure.
I've even forgotten that we are recording.
Okay. Do you have a favorite song or movie you love watching together? Not necessarily. I mean, we like watching movies, but we
watch movies together. We have some series we watch together.
Yeah.
Zion series.
Yeah.
Even some other ones that are secular. I don't want to mention them because I don't want to recommend.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Yeah. But I mean, it's not like we watch movies so much.
We don't even have time. Our TV is almost off most of the time.
Yeah.
But we enjoy watching news as well together. We are old. I've drafted her into old life. We watch news a lot. I won't tell you what news channel because of some people.
Yeah. Anyway, so who is the better driver?
You answered that.
You are the better driver. I'm getting better now.
Yeah, and I'm proud of you. I taught her how to drive. Yeah.
So, although when I got to Canada, of course, I needed an instructor to now realign me to Canadian
instructor,
style.
not who will teach you how to drive.
But yes, you taught me how to drive.
Yes. Give me my flowers.
It took me long. Like all through our marriage, I've been learning how to drive.
You just never really and she learned
and
really
I learned
fast.
Though, yeah. I learned, but I just never.
She just liked being a passenger princess.
Yeah.
But because I've been flying to Ottawa almost every week, it has been forcing her to drive. And thank God. That's one major reason I'm glad for that.
I know how to drive now.
She learned to be tougher. Even though she will come back home and be complaining.
What's one thing that you both do to keep the relationship fun and exciting?
A lot of things.
Actually, a lot of things.
There are a
Oh.
lot of things we do together that keeps us connected. And this is cliche, but see, praying together
Yeah, that's one
is
thing we
so
do together. In
bonding.
fact, that question of what we do together, that's also something that we love to do together.
Oh
We love
yes.
to pray together.
Praying together is so bonding,
Mm-hmm.
and we have a grace anyway. It's not for the camera. When we
Mm-hmm.
pray together, we just see.
Yes, no.
So it's beautiful.
Yeah, we pray together, and then sometimes we could just, like, I don't know, I feel like our foundation is really carrying us a lot,
Hmm.
because there's this last year was a very but let's scratch last year. Before last year, what would we normally do for fun and excitement? Go out. Sometimes we'll just say, okay, let's watch a movie this time.
Yeah.
Let's just watch something interesting. Let's watch something romantic. We just want to go
Yes,
out of this
snuggle up. Yeah,
world and
yeah,
just watch something that will just be fun and romantic and stuff like that.
yeah.
Or let's just, like, we enjoy each other's company a lot. Like, genuinely,
Just being with each other is
we
enough.
just really genuinely enjoy each other. We are genuinely both happy with each other in relationship. So
Yes,
it's
yes.
hard. We don't need that too much.
Activity.
Okay, we have to go out, we have to do this, we have to bring some fun and excitement.
Yeah.
If we feel like, oh, something is boring, we could just say, oh, let's go and eat out, or let's order food.
It's
Let's
never
Sometimes
boring.
it's never boring,
It's
right?
never
it's
boring.
it's always, we enjoy each other's company. So that's like the bedrock of a lot of things. If we just both sit down and just start gisting, sometimes what we do for fun and excitement
It's
is
just
couple
it's gossip.
gossip.
Gossip. Absolutely gossip.
Oh, this person, the way I was seeing her nose is big.
And
She's
since
pregnant.
we had a baby now, we have superpower in
Like,
detecting
that is
pregnancy.
one fun and exciting thing we like to do together.
We can
Like,
smell it.
both of us would have been like,
Did you see what I
did you see
saw?
what I saw? I said,
She's
she's
pregnant.
pregnant. I
Wait
said,
for
just
it.
wait for it. Both of us
5 months. She will come back.
and we have been right a lot of the time.
Hundred percent, almost all the time. Yeah.
So it's always something that we just like to banter about, Sham.
Yeah.
Anyway, what's a partner's favorite hobby? What's my hobby?
Sleeping.
Ah, wow. What was singing? I like to sing a lot, right?
Oh yes.
Uh-huh.
I think your favorite hobby is singing. It's singing. I just singing and sleeping.
Your favorite hobby it has become preaching now, preparing sermon.
First of all, hobby.
No, you
Hobby.
like it now, like,
I
or
enjoy.
maybe
It's
I'm the one
rewarding.
that's getting
It's rewarding to see that people are being
Oh,
blessed.
but wait, actual hobby,
Preaching itself.
actual hobby is watching news.
I mean, during all the U.S. election, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it was a hobby at that point. Like,
Yes.
hobbies change, but that period
I was
was
obsessed with U.S.
news.
politics. Yeah.
Anyway,
But I have a
okay.
lot of hobbies.
Mm-hmm.
But
What other hobby do you have, Seth? Why is my brain so blank?
like I like to play FIFA,
Oh yes, you like
but
to
I
play
don't play it
FIFA.
regularly because I'm busy.
Mm-hmm. But it's still a
But there are
hobby
things that
too,
I
as well.
absolutely enjoy doing, hanging out with friends.
Yes, you like
I'm a
games,
people
like playing
person,
games with
playing games with
friends and
friends
all
and all
that.
that.
Yeah.
Yes, and then of course I love really impacting someone's life and seeing the person's life change.
So she hobby.
So, oh yes, I
That
do.
kind.
I can literally not get tired if I'm teaching.
Okay. Who said I love you first? You're the one that said it now.
Yep, I did.
Yeah. You're the one that made your intentions known.
Yep, I did.
So last question. What's the most memorable vacation you've taken together? I think that's still Ekpe Resort, right?
Memorable.
Yeah. That's still Ekpe Resort because it was really cool. Although there was also La Campagne.
Ekpe,
But
La
La Campagne,
Campagne
rain
was,
watered it down
but it
for
was still
us.
good. We did
Yeah, the
kayaking.
beach.
We
Yeah.
sat at the
I think that was
beach.
actually the first time I
We
was
really,
really at the beach, because Ekpe Resort
yes,
didn't have a
it was the
beach.
first beach experience.
But I liked Ekpe Resort because the room was just giving. Like, the room was the best.
Well, Ekpe Resort was.
Ekpe Resort, and the food.
We ate. Oh Jesus.
Our stomach composition changed.
Our fart started smelling like
Because we're
because I
eating
eating the
the
same
same
food. Yeah,
No,
Ekpe Resort
it
was
was
good.
fun. It was good.
We
And
should
I
actually
just
take
get like,
vacation in Canada. Oh.
yeah, we
That
could
US
actually
trip
go
was
there.
not vacation. We got pregnant and everything spoiled.
Yeah, but yeah, that US trip, we went to a lot of hotels and it was fun.
It was fun actually, just
But I
going
got
here
pregnant.
and there in US,
I was
yes.
actually pregnant like in the
On the
middle
trip,
on the
yes.
trip. So
We will go on more.
mm-hmm.
We'll go on more. You guys
O'Shea,
look out for that.
O'Shea. Anyway, so that's the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you like it. Make sure you drop a comment below. Tell us what you what caught your eye the most with all our questions and answers. Let us know in the comment section. Make sure you share this video with everyone that you know. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell beside the button.
All right. So till we come your way again
Keep loving
and keep believing.
We are
The Stalwart Lovers.
Woo!
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.